Hey Kelly, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I know that you spoke to Trey the other day and we were given the okay to just send you over this really quick screencast. So what I'll really be doing is I'm just going to be going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business. Now these are changes that you could make today on your own to again just drive your business and get more customers in the door. So I'll go ahead and jump right on into it. The first area I wanted to go over with you is the area of content. I have your website pulled up here, and overall it is a pretty good layout. I love the scrolling effect you have here. You just need to get some more content on your front page. This is one area that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your business and getting you in that top position. So I would definitely recommend just getting more words on your front page. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 pages, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and around 700 to 1,000 words on your back pages. So that's definitely an area of opportunity for you. Just get some more content on there. I have your top competitor pulled up here. They really don't have a whole lot of content either. They have a little bit more than you. However, I don't think they're at the 1,000 mark. So this is definitely an area I don't think you would have any issue outbeating them in. Your second top competitor as well, they also don't have a whole lot of content either. So that's just one area of growth and opportunity for you. Google just likes to know that you're legitimate and you have something to say. So that's the first area I wanted to go over with you. The second area I wanted to go over with you involves using this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it's an extremely resourceful tool. It helps you to see the ins and out of a website, where it's been in the past and where it's at now, and so much more. So I have yours pulled up here. I wanted to just go over keywords with you really quick. This really helps you to visualize kind of a lot of what I'm talking about here. So I have your website here. These are currently the keywords that you are ranking for. So for instance, when someone Googles carpet cleaning in Winter Haven, Florida, you come over to position, you are in the 8th position. This gets searched about 60 times per month. So that's a good amount of clients that you could potentially be missing out on since you're in that 8th position and you're not in that top position. Again, Lakeland carpet cleaning, you're in the 13th position. That gets about 50 clients or 50 searches per month. So although it might not seem like a lot, these definitely do add up, and there's so much more where this comes from. You could scale for different areas. I see you're currently ranked for in the Davenport area, Winter Haven, Lakeland. So that's good. It's good that you've scaled your business. But it's just as important to get you in that top position so that when someone Googles this, they see your website first. And you get that first click. So just to kind of give you some perspective there, it looks like your top competitor here, they are currently in the 4th position for carpet cleaning in Lakeland, Florida. And then your second top competitor, they're in the 9th position. So they're still on the front page. They're not in that first position, but they are still on the front page of Google. So that's just one opportunity for you there. The second thing I wanted to go over in regards to ranking your website is called backlinks. Now what a backlink is whenever another separate website refers your website. Backlinks are very good, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. No one link is the same. And as important as it is to have a lot of backlinks, this is something that Google looks at, it is just as important, if not more important, to have good credible links referring back to your website. For instance, if you have Pizza Hut referring your website, Google is able to link the 2 and 2 together and say, this isn't right. Your website does not offer any sort of pizza service, so it doesn't make sense for Pizza Hut to be referring your website. And they see this as a spammy link, and this can actually hurt your ranking. So the way I'm able to see if you have good, credible, trustworthy links is with this DR right here. It looks pretty low compared to the amount of UR that you have. You want to have those pretty close together. UR tells me how much power you have. DR tells me how much trust. So it looks like, yeah, you have a lot of backlinks. However, they don't appear to be very trustworthy. So that's hurting your DR, which as a result is hurting your ranking. Your top competitor here, go back to theirs, they have a UR of 22 and a trust of 32. So they have a lot of backlinks, number one, and they have good credible links. So it just goes to show how important this DR is here. And then your second top competitor has 46 backlinks, and they have very little trust as well. So that is another area of opportunity for you, getting a good amount of backlinks, but also getting credible backlinks referring back to your website. And then the third area I wanted to go over with you is what's called citations. And what a citation is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet. And more specifically, it's on different directories, it's on social media platforms, and things of that nature. So, of course, Google likes citations because this shows, your website's out there. And of course, the more your website is out there, the more people see you and they know you. So you have 37 citations. Looks like your top competitor has 10, so not really a lot. And then your second top competitor has 24. So it looks like you are beating them in this area, but it's good to sometimes double or triple the amount of your competition. So again, that was just 3 areas in which you can grow your business. I know that was kind of a lot of information. I would love to touch base with you. So you can either email me back or you can give me a call. I would love to set up a time to just maybe have a quick 10 to 15 minute conversation. Overall, I hope you learned something. Again, that was just the area of content, backlinks, and citations. But thank you so much for your time, Kelly. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a good one.